So guys, we are here at Ayamarwa Villa. This is the state of the villa. Behind the camera is none other than In Concept Interior Studio. My name is Mr. Ebole. I am here. I've been working hand in hand with Mr. Masika from alu-glaze. So today we are just going through some of the work that alu-glaze have been doing here at Ayamarwa. Guys, that door is black. It's black. The door is black. And that door is made of aluminium and glass. And there's a black film blackout on the door because that's the bedroom. So that's one of the jobs that alu-glaze have been doing here, alu-glaze, Mr. Masika. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of his work that he has done here. We have this other door. This is how the door looks like. So this one, they've not done the blind yet. So this is how the door looks like. So this is In Concept Interior Studio. My name is Mr. Ebole. We are the quality controller here at Ayamarwa Villa. We are interior designers. We've been working hand in hand with alu-glaze, alu-glaze, and we are going to show you some of the work that alu-glaze have been doing. For the past 3 days, Mr. Masika and Mr. Ebole have been working on this door. As you can see, the door is already in place, guys. It has been a very difficult task, guys. We really were praying God that the task is successful, and I want to thank God that we can see the task has been successfully executed. The door is closing, the door is opening. Now we are fitting in the locks. And I have Mr. Masika from alu-glaze, Mr. Masika himself. So, Mr. Masika, I'm looking for lights. I'm looking for light. Where is this light? Oh yeah, I'm looking for the light. So, I'm here with Mr. Masika from alu-glaze. Alu-glaze, alu-glaze Ventures, that is their YouTube name, their YouTube channel name. So I'll start by introducing Mr. Masika to you. So Masika, can you introduce yourself to your audience? This is your audience.
Yeah.
I am just an interviewer on your channel.
Yeah, hi guys. I'm Geoffrey Masika, the aluminium guy who has been working at Ayamarwa Villa.
Yes.
Working with the doors, aluminium doors.
Yeah.
And so far, we've managed to achieve the goals we wanted to in terms of fabricating and installing aluminium doors.
Aluminium doors, yeah.
Yes, and tinting the doors. And at the moment, the past 3 days, we've been trying to install the wooden pivot door. I want to tell you that this is the first one that I'm installing.
It's the first one that you've handled, eh?
The wooden, this is the first wooden door.
First pivot door you've done?
Yeah.
Or first wooden?
Wood.
Oh, okay.
Of wood.
Okay, it is the first time Masika installing wooden doors?
Yes. Yeah, but I normally install
frameless doors.
Glass frameless doors.
Which uses the same mechanism like the one we have done over there.
In both,
Yeah.
we use floor springs,
Floor spring, yeah.
top patch and bottom patch. All the accessories are same.
Actually, the accessories are same.
Yeah.
Even the handle that we have for that door can also be used on a glass.
Also be used
glass
on
door.
glass. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only difference is the weight.
The weight, yeah. The weight is too heavy. That door is around 200 kilos. I don't know how many pounds that is. You can
So
convert.
we've used gadgets, the floor spring that can hold the weight of that door. The weight that is above 300 kilograms to
Yeah.
400.
Actually, the floor spring we have used on that door is 400 kg. So meaning that floor spring can carry those two doors in one.
Yeah,
If we had those doors, if you double that door, the size now is 1.4 meter.
Yeah.
So it means if you make it to how many? 1.4. If you make it to 2.8.
2.8 actually.
It will still carry the door.
Still carry.
Yeah.
That's how good.
So that's how magical that floor spring is.
Yes. Otherwise, the first wooden door that I'm making. But majorly, I normally specialize in aluminium.
So, Mr. Masika, if I may ask, what are the challenges did you face when installing the door? What did you find difficult?
First and foremost,
during the installation of the door?
Yeah, first and foremost, it was the weight of the door itself. The weight. Having to deal with that was really eating me. I didn't know how that thing would come to
actually, we had to carry the door like 6 men. Every time we want to change the door, we've had to be around 6 men so that we can carry the door. But right now the door is in place. Even a child can close it and open it. That's how magical the floor spring is.
Another challenge was installing the framework.
The frame
that holds the door. Actually that surrounds the door. Because that frame is not holding the door.
Actually, the frame does not hold the door.
It's only supporting the door from up.
From
the whole weight is being supported from
the floor spring.
Yes. So it was a bit so challenging in terms of just installing that big frame. Because the wall was not.
The wall was not straight.
Not in alignment.
So we had to chisel the wall. As you can see, the wall has so many patches. We had to demolish and chisel some places. There was no. They had not used a square. They didn't use the blump bulb, so the wall was not very straight. So that was our main challenge, installing the frame.
And so far we have managed, and I say it is good.
So Masika, if a client calls you and tells you, Masika, I have a wooden door here, it's a pivot door, now you can comfortably fit it, or you still get some
At the
challenges?
moment, I can comfortably fit it because I normally do that, though this one has been the first.
At least you've learned the top part, how different it is. You can see our top part there. It has some adjustment, you have to adjust it. And then the top part has to be sunken into the wood in the door, and another one sunken into the frame. And then the floor spring, just as usual, the way you do it, you sink it on the floor. So I think the only difference there was the top patch and the bottom patch. Okay, the accessory that goes with the wooden door are the ones that are different.
Quite different, but the concept is one.
The concept is one. But you've seen it's an easy thing to install.
Easy thing to.
The only thing you need to be careful about is measurements. You need to be on top of the measurements. If it's millimeters, you have to make sure that from the frame to the pivot point, the millimeters are the same. So any other thing that you have learned concerning the wooden door?
Regarding the wooden door, what I've seen is that you must not necessarily use nails to hold the frame on the walls.
On the wall,
You can use wall pass, and the cement.
And cement.
So actually, when you go there, you won't find any nails used.
And do you know why we used cement and wall pass?
I know. The frame was so thick. It was so thick, and even if you could have used 6-inch nails, they would have helped much. Because
there's another way of installing the frame. Most people use foam glue. You just put the frame in place, then you put the foam glue around it, and then it holds the frame in place. But in this case, guys, we could not use foam glue because our frame was so heavy, and the door is so heavy, and foam glue is kind of spongy. So depending on the kgs on the door, if we use foam glue, when you
make it from this one is on the pose. No, I just wanted to pose first. Pose first.